The Dirty Dozen in Aviation Maintenance. Welcome. In this video, we will explore human factors, lack of communication. We will first start with an introduction. Secondly, we will cover the pitfalls of miscommunication, and then the power of clear communication. Finally, we will address the 30% rule and best practices, and then we will conclude with a brief summary. Let's begin with the introduction. In aviation maintenance, clear communication is the foundation for safety. Today, we're diving into lack of communication, one of the 12 human factors on the Dirty Dozen list. Let's see how effective communication keeps everyone on the same page and avoids costly mistakes. Let's continue with the pitfalls of miscommunication. Imagine starting a shift blindsided. Without a clear handover from the previous technician, crucial details might be missed. Incomplete logbook entries or unclear verbal instructions can lead to misunderstandings. These breakdowns can snowball into errors, potentially compromising aircraft safety and causing delays. Let's move on to the power of clear communication. Effective communication is a two-way street. Detailed shift handovers using logbooks and checklists ensure everyone's on the same page. Clear verbal instructions, active listening, and using confirmation signals during complex tasks minimize errors. This collaborative approach keeps everyone informed and ensures a smooth operation, ultimately contributing to safe flights. Now, let's proceed with the 30% rule and best practices. Did you know? Studies show we only grasp about 30% of what's said in verbal communication alone. Here are some best practices to become a communication champion. Write down complex messages. Don't rely on memory. Use logbooks and checklists for crucial information. Summarize key points. Briefly repeat the most important information at the beginning and end of communication. Ask questions and clarify doubts. Don't assume you understand everything. Speak clearly, listen actively, and encourage questions. Remember, clear communication is a team effort. Let's finish with the conclusion. Working together with clear communication keeps everyone informed and ensures a safe, efficient work environment. By following these tips, we can all be communication champions in aviation maintenance. Remember, speak clearly, listen actively, and ask questions. Let's prevent misunderstandings and ensure every flight takes off safely.